everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Roland Blessing, and today I'll be taking you on a special tour of my village market called Nkwala Umebi, the beating heart of food trade in my village, community, local government, states, and country at large. This is where some of Nigeria's most sought after staple foods are produced and traded, like palm oil, gari, fufu, okpa, ugu, etc. You name it. Nkwala Umebi is more than just a market. It is a tradition, a community hub, and an economic powerhouse. Traders from different cities like Port Harcourt, Aba, Onitsha, and Umuahia travel here just to buy in bulk. We produce palm oil, which is red and rich in color. Our palm oil is produced using traditional methods, and it is known for its nutritive value. We produce gari in high quantity. Oh, my lovely gari, which is a staple food found nearly in every Nigerian home. We produce it in big quantity. Fufu, fermented to perfection, okpa, you name it. Nkwala Umebi isn't just about food. It's a way of life. It's a representation of my culture and history. It shows the power of my village and community culture and its enterprise. This is Nkwala Umebi. This is home. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this. I will let you watch to the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you and bye.